Welcome to DataTrim Dupe Alerts, a process-oriented solution to ensure your Salesforce data stays clean and accurate. Monitor and track your progress. Break your data into segments for better manageability. Access outstanding duplicates. Meet the DataTrim Merge Wizard, guiding you through the merging maze. And convert duplicates leads into accounts and contacts. Resolves redundant account contact relationships. Provides inline editing. DataTrim Dupe Alerts enables you to merge and convert thousands of duplicates using the mass merge or the batch processing. When using batch, you are guided while selecting the records to process. Confidence in every click. Figuring out which record to keep. Complex merging rules. Get recommendation and accommodate efficient cleanup of your data. Reviewing and merging records on the fly can be disturbing. Being able to evaluate the potential duplicate without having to navigate away from the current page keeps the end user focused. Letting the end users getting involved is a great idea, but not always. Merging means deleting, yes, deleting data. In review mode, the end user can review and provide feedback so that your data steward can merge with confidence. Don't just take our word for it. Hear what our clients have to say about DataTrim Dupe Alerts. Try DataTrim Dupe Alerts today. Clean data, happy users. Book a demo to discuss how to join the data quality journey. You will find the links in the description below. Thank you.